You might recognize that vehicle. This is coming up on 5 years. It's actually 1 month away from when we first coated it back in May of 2021. It is now April of 2026. We coated this with Crystal Serum Light. 1 coat. We also used Dr. Beasley's NSP polishes. If you want to check out that video, I'll have it at the end. Now this video is going to be a testimony to what a proper coating is able to do. Now we maintain these vehicles. He has another one that we coated with Crystal Serum Light every 6 months. And there's also another little secret that the owner told me that I didn't know about 3 years in. So stay tuned for that, because that might be a shocker. This is just the initial snow foaming and rinsing. I didn't wash it yet. We can see beading all the way to the bottom. So now we're going to contact wash it. We're using Koch Chemie Gentle Snow Foam. Now, is it perfectly smooth? It's smooth, but I can feel a little bit of crunchiness. That's just going to be some bonded contaminants that, well, we may or may not be able to fully remove, because what we're doing today is just a maintenance. But if the owner does want it to be redone, then we'll simply decontaminate it again, polish it, and coat it. However, the coating is doing such a good job after 5 years. Still resisting any shampoos and chemicals we throw at it. Now, what about the bottom sections? Yeah, I can feel a little bit of contamination down there. But again, not a big deal. Now we can see here towards the bottom, it is now just starting to sheet. So you can see kind of a line. It starts around here-ish, but it still sheets very quickly. The rest of it is pretty intense beading. Maybe not as intense as when it was first applied, but still extremely good. Now, the amazing thing is, about 3 years in or so, I was talking to the customer and asked him how do you maintain this? And he said he brings it through car washes. The ones with the brushes too. And sometimes the ones without the brushes. The same goes with the vehicle that I'm in right now. So he's been bringing this to car washes and the coating is still performing like that. So do you want to know why the coating is doing so well? 2 reasons. 1, the coating is just a really good coating. It's G-Technic Crystal Serum Light. 1 coat, that's it. And 2, we maintain it every 6 months. Now we do put a ceramic topper on it, but that ceramic topper is not lasting 6 months, especially if he's bringing it through car washes. So it's really a testimony to the coating itself. And I guess number 3 is the prep work. The way that we applied the coating using Dr. Beasley's NSP polishes. It pairs extremely well with G-Technic coatings. No panel wipe is needed. It just simply works. So guys, I'm impressed with the coating. I've seen it through the full 5 years. The coating itself, the prep work and the application, and how it's maintained. Those are the 3 core things that will really affect the durability and the longevity of any ceramic coating. If you need more proof, just watch our channel.